Welcome, guys. Crypto FUD. Happy Wednesday. Let's jump right in. So, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yesterday, we saw a nice jump up. If you haven't seen the video yesterday, real brief. It was only like 4 or 5 minutes long. Just basically went over. I didn't go over any CPI numbers. Yesterday's inflation numbers that came out. But I did come out with the video a little bit, like a few minutes after, and we just covered this quick pump that we saw yesterday. So we did break out nice 17.9 yesterday is what we topped out, or a little over 17,900. I did say that when we hit these big jump ups, we're gonna get resistance. So we're gonna kind of keep testing it, and that's exactly what's going on. As we hit that 17.9. It was like around 17,920, and then we kind of bounced back down to 17. Looks like we dropped down to 17,650. So, but we still there's still going to be more buyers and sellers, my opinion, right now because of everything that's going on. There was a good CPI report yesterday. I believe we have another meeting today. Jerome Powell is going to speak. Hopefully, he's going to basically just state that we're going to be going up 50 basis points. I think he has to come out with a tough talk because if you guys don't know, he's trying to prevent a market rally right now. They don't want a crazy rally going on right now because then that could cause a lot of people making money and it could cause inflation to go up. So what they have to be very careful on their wordage. So I think he's going to state that he's going to come out with the 50 basis point, but he's also going to kind of retract and try to prevent any kind of a big rally from occurring, stating that they're going to come out with the 50 basis points, but they're going to monitor the situation, and if they have to, they'll have to increase the interest rates on next meeting, trying to kind of scare a lot of the investors as far as like going all in and thinking that we're about to shoot off. Do I think we're about to shoot off? I don't think it's gonna be some crazy, like we're gonna go from like 18,000 up to like 24 grand kind of thing. Could be wrong, with this market is very unpredictable, but what I think is gonna happen is we might see, and I actually been calling this for the last few weeks, is that we're gonna see a slow, gradual staircase upward momentum. We will have those days where we're going to go back down, but if you see for the last like week or two, we've had some ups, and then we'll have some downs, but we'll have ups. But if you see where we keep landing, is we're landing slowly up. I could draw a trend line that could show us from basically from here a trend line, and that's let's see here. This was from, I believe, this was, I'm trying to see exactly the date, but I believe this was this was the FTX debacle. This was basically same kind of crap that was going on. We're still going through that FTX crap. But whenever we kind of did a local bottom from where that was at, that was the 22nd of November, which was roughly about 3 weeks ago. We've slowly been trickling staircase on our way up, so we'll see how it goes. 50 basis points will send us up, and we're already sitting at 17.9. So if we can stay at where we're at right now, and or stay around where we're at, remember I drew this line at about 17,800. As long as we can hold that line, and we get a confirmation that we're going to go up 50 basis points, I honestly could see us going somewhere around 18.4. Let's see here. Came unprepared today, guys. Let's see where we're gonna have some support. Oh yeah, remember I said yesterday there really isn't much in the 18,000s that's gonna be resistance or support. So we'll have to be testing the waters there. I think we might, if we have some good news, we could see somewhere around 18.5 being some kind of a resistance and possibly becoming support eventually down the road as we go up our staircase. So 18.5 could be the next kind of catalyst for resistance and turning into support, and then we'll go up to obviously up to 19. I think 19 and 20 is going to be a big resistance point, because it's just hitting that 20,000 mark is going to be a big sell off for a lot of people that bought in, down in the 15,000s. But if everything continues the way it's been going, we'll get past that. We'll see, like I keep saying, we'll see those ups, we'll see those dips, but don't get discouraged, because if you slowly see, we are slowly making our way up, and that's kind of how you want it. If you see these crazy giga jumps, a lot of times they'll follow with a nice big drop, pretty much the same amount. So we want to see natural growth. We want to see confidence in the market, and that's what I think we're seeing. So we'll see how it goes. Another coin I wanted to just let you guys I already talked about this coin, but I opened up a position, picked up like about 100,000 coins in DappRadar. Basically, I just they're about a $5 million market cap right now, so it's a crazy small market cap. You can buy this coin on crypto.com and a few other exchanges. The coin's relatively new, came out at the beginning of this year. You can do the research. Maybe I'll go into depth one day and we'll go into the research, but DappRadar, they're real big on, informing, like they have a big ecosystem in regards to like airdrops, all the new projects that are with all the coins. They work with a lot of coins. They have partnerships with a lot of coins and stuff like that. So you can look into them and see exactly what the utility is for their exact coin and everything they have going on. But me personally, regardless of all that, I really look at, just like movement, market cap, circulation, and coins. This coin has the kind of check the boxes on a lot of those things. The big thing that I do see is that it only has a $5 million market cap. It's been surviving. It was staying around a penny. It's at like half a penny right now, so I bought in. Bought a nice bag. I will add if we do any more dips, which, you always will see dips. So I'll dollar cost average in. So we'll see how that goes. And then wanted to talk about MMF. All right. So MMF slowly, it looked like it had a local bottom at 0.0077. When I saw that, I was like, well, that's it. Let's watch it. We're going to probably see a nice drop here. I was thinking we'll probably get down. Market cap's still holding over 4 million. I was anticipating seeing maybe like around $2.5 million market cap. So it did jump up about 5% from that local bottom. I did see on their Twitter spot, or their Twitter space, and we can kind of go in there. They were asking the public, basically retracting what they were saying, asking the public, what should we do now? Should we move on and do what we said we're going to do in regards to coming out with this new cat coin, or should we what do you guys recommend? And basically, I didn't even read into it. I just saw them come out with a tweet. I can't even find it right now if they deleted it or not. But if you just see, like, this is just the first one. MMF now wants to create a chain after all the Ponzi and fraud. This right here is what's up and down their Twitter right now. Is these comments from the community. People are pissed. Me personally, not going to touch too much into it. Like I said, I right now I'm sitting on the sidelines. If this was a local bottom at 0.007, that's nice. That's awesome for them. But me personally, I'm going to sit on the sidelines right now, because I don't know exactly what's going on with the project, and that's uncertainty is something you definitely don't want to be involved in. It's very risky, but like I've said in my first videos, more risk, more gains. So shout out to the people that are still in MMF and that are adding to their bag, because this could explode. With such a small market cap, they could reverse and be like, oh, they're going to go, balls deep in this project, and, and crazy things could happen. So they're definitely not dead, so we have to see what's going on. We'll monitor it. Me personally, if I do see, if I see some growth, I might, jump back in. I definitely, I don't know what to do right now as far as MMF. Like I said, that's me personally. What my inner self tells me is just to hold off right now and just stay on the sidelines. But at the same time, you see these gains and stuff like that, and you don't want to miss the train, right? So we'll see. I guess you call that FOMO. but we'll see how it goes. So we'll monitor it. Just wanted to touch base with everything. Bitcoin's looking good. Bought some DappRadar. You can buy this on crypto.com and a couple of exchanges. Do your own research. MMF is still surviving. We'll monitor everything. We'll see how it goes. Today, Jerome Powell comes out talking at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll cover it tonight, this evening, if I have some time. But I definitely will keep you guys in the loop. Thank you guys so much. Hope you have a wonderful day.